Are you there?
Gar, our story begins back in 1652, when we were sailing the Seven Seas. Oh, we're sorry, wrong story. It started out just like any other day. Colin and I had been travelling for many days, and even more nights, not knowing that this day would change our lives forever. We are the Pistol Brothers.
What? What the hell do you two bums want?
Any spare change, Gov? Got any dollar?
Sorry, partner.
So you're not looking for the golden melon?
Golden melon?
Yeah, the golden melon.
The golden melon was discovered back in 1004 BC by the mystical druids of Gaul. It contains mystical powers and 100% pure fruit juice. It was hidden in a secret castle, never to be discovered, even to this day.
That explains everything.
Sure does. Let's go.
Hey, Essay, I'm on to something here. Hey, these homies left the golden melon too. We've got to stop them, Rory!
Right. According to my sources, the golden melon should be right about there.
Yep, right about where?
Adley Castle.
Golden, look, Hadley Castle. Golden melon.
It could take days to get this far. Maybe even years. Oh, yeah, see this little lagoon? It could be like mermaid.
Yeah, I'm gonna clear shot of these essays. Damn, missed. Can't really do it the old-fashioned way.
A camel Pedro.
In the marsh.
Yes.
That's a bit risky there.
Well, I'll take my tent.
Well, that sounds good.
El Macho. That's the map right there. That will help us find the golden melon. Don't worry, I'll take a look. It's the map, alright?
Thanks for that.
So where's this melon?
Make a note of this, mate. There's an Adley Castle right about here. Come on, we better go. We've got a long trek ahead of us. Maybe years.
Let's go find golden grove.
There it is. There's the golden melon. My God, it's the most goldenest, most beautiful, goldiest melon I ever have seen.
Ah, you found our golden melon.
Hey, that's our melon!
Let's go! Hey, they've run off with a melon!
melon was destined to be ours.
I now have all the power in the world. Colin, we must now share this melon equally. Give me your head. There we go.